Hey everyone, I'm heading to Auburndale, Florida because I have a potential listing that the seller called me up and they think it's worth 50% less than what I think so based on the comp. So now I have to check it out and see the condition of the inside and the neighborhood and all that, and I think it's worth 50% more. So I'm going to go there, check it out, go inside, and let's see if I'm right. And guess where they got their estimate? From Zillow. Okay, so I just arrived. It's a beautiful day in Florida. If you're thinking of relocating to Florida, this is the perfect time because the weather is amazing. So the first thing I want to look at is the neighborhood and what kind of homes are on here. And so I see a lot of block homes, and this particular one is a mobile home. And it's a corner lot, so I get here and I see it's a corner lot and I see there's block homes. So that automatically will add value to this property because there are block homes surrounding this manufactured home. So let's take the backyard's really very nice with the nice oak trees, and this is perfect for someone that's relocating to Florida and they don't have a lot of money, and this could be very reasonably priced, I think, for 50% more than what they think. So let's see how much work needs to be done, and this is the front of it. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let's take a look inside. No electricity, of course, but it has the luxury vinyl flooring that needs to be replaced a little, but that's nothing. Cute lighting. Great kitchen. Washer and dryer. Wow. And then this is the primary bedroom. Nice shower. Nice handles. So there's just window ACs, but today it's so cold, who needs it? And then another bedroom, another bedroom. Wow, this is so much nicer than what I just sold recently. This is unbelievable. Yep, I can definitely put it on the market 50% higher than what they were thinking, and they were going by Zillow. So let that be a lesson. Please do not check out Zillow and let that be your indicator on what a home should sell for. Have a professional realtor come out. If this seller didn't call me, they would probably put it on the market for 50% less, and how sad would that be for the sellers? So if you're interested in selling your investment property, call Elizabeth Willers with Serhia and the Willers Homes team, and let's get your home sold for top dollar, and I make it so easy. And now let's check out what is hot in Auburndale, and I am at the Market World. This is a international flea shop, and it has all these types of events. You have the music festivals on Saturday, you have circus events, you have car shows, and the flea market. So let's check it out and see what Auburndale has to offer. And the 29th annual Spirit of the Buffalo Powwow and Native American is happening in 2025, so don't miss that. Before you put your home on the market, it's crucial to hire an expert to determine its true value. Don't rely on Zillow. You could be missing out on up to 50% of your property's worth, leading to a much lower sale price than you deserve. If you have an investment property you're considering selling, reach out to Elizabeth Willers with Sirhan and the Willers Homes team in Central Florida. We're here to ensure you get the best value for your home. Contact us today.